knocked him over, as predicted by Ishan Kishan just before the rain arrives. And that is one of the areas with that in-swing that Siraj was looking to work over. Middle stump down.
A disappointment for West Indian fans, but an absolutely peach of a delivery. Yeah, play on a miss, but swung in to the right-handed batter. That's a perfect length as well.
You could see the inward movement. But given all that we've seen in the last 10, 15, 20 minutes, Da Silva should have known this was a possibility with the inward movement.
I think even if you look at the delivery before as well, that swung down the leg side, that the wicketkeeper had to dive to gather, really showed that this type of delivery was soon to come once it was pitched in the right areas.
Still.
Edged, and it's another one. Mohd Siraj this time just getting the ball to leave Jason Holder. Holder again tentative, and a sharp catch by Ishan Kishan behind the stumps.
You're just sticking with that line. Gets that edge from Jason Holder, who just hung his bat out there. Very well taken catch by the wicketkeeper. Yeah, another very well shaped delivery away from the right-hander. Left a few of these deliveries previously, Jason Holder, but this time getting the edge to his demise.
The successful review. Again, the appeal, and given not out. Will be that discussion as we often see, and then the decision, review taken.
Okay, bat is close to the ball again, so ultra edge one available, please. So just roll through very slowly, frame by frame, please. So roll through, and next frame, flat line. There's a flat line as the ball passes the bat, and go through the pad, please. Yeah, so no bat involved, so ball tracking when available, please. Original decision is not out, pitching outside off, impact in line, and hitting the wickets, Richard. I'll let you know when you're on screen, Richard.
Another overturn of a decision from the umpire, Richard Kettleborough. And this time, Alzari Joseph will have to depart. Another scramble seam delivery from Mohd Siraj. Going on to hit the stumps. Alzari Joseph not getting any bat on this occasion.
Full swinging, the end of Roach. It's a good catch again by Ishan Kishan. This new ball, this second new ball has worked magic here at the Queen's Park Oval.
To take that outside edge. And a relatively simple catch for Ishan Kishan. Another wicket for Mohd Siraj, his fourth in the innings so far.
4-wicket haul. Close, and that's a second 5-wicket haul. Will they review it? They have.
Okay, appears to be no bat involved. We'll just confirm with ultra edge, please. Okay, no bat involved, so ball tracking when available, please. Original decision is out. Pitching outside off, impact in line, and it's hitting the wickets, Richard. So stay with your original decision of out. I'll let you know when you're on screen.
Yeah, just confirmation of what we knew already. But Mohd Siraj's best figures in an innings in Test match cricket go back to January 2021 in Brisbane, when he picked up a 5 for his first. Remember that tour where he stayed on in Australia, even though his father had passed away in November of a year before. In the absence of Shami and one or two others, he's the man. Mohd Siraj, his second 5-wicket haul.